Hello friends, how are you? Festivals are an incredible way to learn about English. If you have clicked this video, I believe you are here to improve your communicative English, to improve your spoken English. In this video, we are going to learn 16 amazing words which you can use using festivals to improve your English vocabulary. We are here to learn about festival vocabulary. Hello friends, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amit Sengupta and I teach here online English tips and tools to help you overcome the fear of spoken English. More than 2 million people have watched my videos on my YouTube channel and have gained confidence through my English videos. Let's dive into the topic of this particular video, which is about festivals. In the context of Kolkata, where I belong to, we will be talking about the two biggest festivals of Kolkata. One of them is Durga Puja and second is Diwali or Kali Puja. Let's use these festivals as a context and learn about 16 amazing words. These will be advanced English words which you can use to improve your English vocabulary. Let's begin with the first sentence. Kolkata is sparkling with beauty during Durga Puja and Diwali. You have to replace Kolkata with the city you belong from. You have to replace Kolkata with your native city, wherever you are located. So replace Kolkata and practice with me and comment in the comment section below. If you are from New Delhi, if you are from Patna or Bhubaneswar or Siliguri, just replace Kolkata with your city and practice with me. Kolkata is sparkling with beauty during Durga Puja and Diwali or Kali Puja. The artistic work in the pandals during Durga Puja or Kali Puja or Diwali is simply unmatched. There is no other city that I'd like to be than Kolkata during Durga Puja. The city of Kolkata has amazing things to offer during the festival, from delicious foods to intricate pandals. The city looks absolutely exquisite. Coming over to the topic of food, you can savor the best of street food and snacks during Durga Puja or Kali Puja festival in Kolkata. Savor the flavors of the plethora of cuisines available for people around the city during these two major festivals. The light works of the pandals which you can see during night is simply fabulous. If you want to celebrate the largest public art festival in the world, you have to come to Kolkata to see it, to believe it. It is simply fascinating. So friends, which are these incredible words which you have learnt in this video? Let's go and list them out one by one. Number one is incredible itself. I've been using this word since the beginning of the video. Incredible, which means simply outstanding, unbelievable, absolutely extraordinary. The other words which I have told in this video are sparkling, decked up, charm, irresistible, unmatched, amazing, delicious, intricate, savor, flavors, plethora, cuisines, fabulous, celebrate, festival, fascinating. So friends, I hope these words which we have learned together, you and I together have learned these 16 amazing, incredible, advanced English words. You will be using this in the context of the two major festivals which you have learned. In this case, Durga Puja, Kali Puja or Diwali. You can use these amazing English words in the context of any other major festival which are being celebrated in your respective cities, wherever you are located. Try and use these words in the context of your particular city. Leave your comment with your particular city where you are from and with a sentence of your own using any of these words. That's how you will practice these words along with me, and I'd be happy to respond to your comments under the comment sections of this video. Don't skip the channel as of now. There are tons of other videos, tutorials I have made on spoken English, on communicative English on my channel. Head over to the English speaking playlist and watch all these videos to improve your spoken English and gain confidence in your life, in your job, in your career. Leave the comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Hype the video, like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep talking in English, improve your communicative English, improve your English fluency. All the best.